Stop paying 25 dirhams every month for nothing. Here is how to open the FAB Zero Balance Account the right way in just 3 easy steps. First, let me show you something very important on the FAB website. As you can see on the screen, the FAB iSave is an online account with the following key features. You'll get an interest on all the funds deposited into your account, instant account opening using the FAB mobile app, and of course, no minimum balance requirement for this account. Well, this is the most interesting part. You won't be charged any fees. All you have to do is to use the link from the First Abu Dhabi Bank to download the FAB Bank app in order for you to open the FAB iSave account, which is completely a zero balance account. Once the download is done, open the FAB app and then tap on Join FAB. As you can see on the screen, keep these 3 things ready. Your Emirates ID for a verification scan, your IBAN number or UAE salary account number. Okay? And lastly, make sure you are in a bright environment to enable your face scan. It's very important to note that this is a zero balance account with no minimum balance requirement, but there is a minimum salary requirement. We're going to discuss the minimum salary requirement. First, let's tap on the continue button, enter our mobile number. Again, enter our email address. Tap on the continue button. An OTP will be sent to our mobile number. Go ahead, enter this OTP, and then we will automatically move on to the next step. It is time to provide more information about yourself. Click on the drop-down button, select your nationality, enter your employment status and the emirate where you stay. Go ahead to input the amount of your monthly salary. I personally, my salary is above 3,000, but I decided to enter 1,000 as my salary while opening this account. Many sources online strongly suggest that the minimum salary requirement for the FAB iSave account is 3,000. So let me know in the comments if you have tried to open this account with a salary as low as 1,000. With that being said, let us proceed by entering our emirate, the FAB nearest branch, review all the information you have entered, and then tap on the continue button. As you can see on the screen, the FAB Bank will assess all your information. Then select an account that best match your needs, and in this case, it's the personal savings account. Remember, our goal is opening a FAB Zero Balance account. That's why we use the link from the FAB iSave page. But if you tap on Learn More here, you will realize that this account, the FAB Personal Savings account, has a minimum balance, which is 3,000 dirhams every month. This makes it really tricky. We're going to discuss more about it in details, but let's first scan our Emirates ID. Tap on Continue with Emirates ID. Allow the FAB mobile banking app access to your camera. Then scan both the front and the back side of your Emirates ID. Once that is done, simply tap on the Continue button. You now have to verify your face in one easy step. Get enough lighting, follow the instructions on the screen, and you're done. Moving on to the next step again, take your phone out of the cover. Place your ID at the back of your phone as demonstrated on the screen. Hold your ID still while the scan is in progress until the done button shows up. As you can see on the screen, guys, your Emirates ID details will be automatically displayed. Cross-check and make sure that all the information is correct. Then tap on the Continue button. Now, here we can start entering our employment details. Enter your profession and your employer name. Tap on the drop-down button. Select the purpose of opening this account. Let me go with the savings. Then, enter your expected number of transactions per month. Also, enter the expected spend amount. Let me put here 1,000. Choose whether you have any other accounts with the FAB Bank. I'll select no. And again, select whether you'll be conducting any cash transactions, which is yes. On the next step here, review your residence details. Enter all the necessary info like your flat number, your building name, street name, your area, and your city. Answer the gender question and again, select your country of birth. Answer the multiple nationalities question. Review your signature. Agree to the terms and conditions of this service. Make sure the information is all correct and then tap on confirm my details. On the last step, enter your home address starting with your country and your city. Once that is done, select whether you want a debit card and enter the names you want to appear on this bank card, alright? Confirm and then answer the tax declaration question. Here you don't have to do much. You can just simply select no, and then tap on confirm my details. Go ahead, read through the facts and declaration form. So, before we even submit our application, let me ask you a question. Is this account really a zero balance account? This is really tricky because I wasn't able to open my FAB iSave account, not until I had opened my FAB personal savings account. So, technically, for anyone to open the FAB iSave Zero Balance account, you must have either the current or the savings FAB account. And this is what I'm going to show you at the end of this video. Here on the facts and declaration form, agree, and you will automatically be redirected to this page where you have to create your user ID and your password. Finally, you have to register for the FAB mobile banking. Simply tap on the register button. This is very easy, guys. You can use your debit card if you have already received it. But since we have just opened our account and our debit card has not yet been delivered, use your customer ID. This customer ID was sent to your email and your mobile number you used while we were creating our account. Agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on the continue button, and finally, you'll be able to log in into your FAB mobile banking app. As you can see here, you'll be able to see all your account details, manage your account, and also many other mobile banking features. Once you have created your current or personal savings account, log in into the FAB mobile banking app. Then you'll see the option to create your iSave account. The video on the screen is a detailed guide from start to end, so you can check it out. Let me know what you think about the FAB iSave account in the comments. But here is what I think. This is not fair for us low-income earners who want something clearly zero balance. That's why I recommend other banking options like the M Bank or even Sharjah Islamic Bank. If you are a UAE expatriate and your salary is less than 1,000, looking for a right zero balance account is really a full-time job. That's why I made this simple guide, Mastering Zero Balance Accounts in UAE. It's a simple course that will guide you from start to end. It doesn't matter how hard you think banking is in the United Arab Emirates. It doesn't matter if your salary is just 1,000. This course will simplify everything for you in just minutes. So check it out and get your account open today. Don't hesitate to get in touch in the comments.